Okay, testing. Testing. Okay. Well, according to OBS, it is recording. So hopefully it still stays good, because we might be here as long as we were with Cass, or we might not. I don't know. Okay, so we're just gonna build here and look at the build mode for Enchanted by Nature. I just got back, and it was kind of nice getting the pay. I was able to go to Starbucks, and they have this new drink. At least it's new to that location, and it was a strawberry matcha. And their matcha is very strong and bitter, and then the strawberry cream's really sweet. So that was really good. And that pink and green put me back in the mood. Cause let me tell you, walking up there, I was very lucky, but it didn't start raining until I was walking back. It was still kind of warm. But, anyways, we're not here for that. I mean, kind of. Wouldn't you like to know that I survived my walk? Maybe? Just a little bit? Okay. So, we are just gonna look through. Oh, right, that's wallpaper. Duh. All the new stuff. But it said something's new. New platform? Oh, okay. So, let's go ahead. Put this on a platform then. And let's take a good old look at that. Or does it need to be a room for it to work? Honestly. Doesn't even matter. Just close. Honestly. Oh, let me see. There. Platform. Oh, it was glitching. No, it's still not working. I don't know. Well, that's one way to start the video. Must be applied to a room. Okay. Yeah, but it's not working. Alright, well, it's having its attitude, but it's got some pretty stones there in the swatches. I wish they would work, but they're not seeming to want to. Okay, I can try one more thing, and then we'll move on. Or Yep, no. Okay, so that's not working right now. Maybe glitched. Oh well. Wall patterns show all. I mean, I can see them, but I don't care. Enchanted by Nature. Let's move along. Oh, that's very cute. What is this? Oh, birch. That is pretty nice. I appreciate the detail. And a nice stucco, which I'll probably overuse. Okay, well that's what I wanted to see down there. But look, that's really nicely detailed actually. I really like how they've been doing their stones and whatnot. Let's look at a couple more. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that, yeah. And what is this? Oh, that's nice too. Look at one more, because I'll be here a minute. We don't want to be here too long. And then, of course, glass. I really like that one. Oh, does it have different ones? I think it just looked like it had different because of the different lining. But I like that. Nice, nice. Let's go to flooring. Oh, looks like just one. But it is very nice. I can accept that. Yeah. Probably gonna overuse that one too. Yeah. Or it's not showing all. Never mind. Oh, well, would you look at that? That's really nice. Huh. And this... It's kind of cute, like the little berry design. Okay, so that's flooring. Is it gonna... Oh, well, now it works. I don't know what happened. Okay, now it works. It's being stubborn, but I forgive it because it's pretty. Oh, I may be too easily won. Okay, let me... bb dot move objects on. Okay. That's just so we can look at these roof pieces, which are very cute. What's this? Oh, new chimney. That reminds me of the Tin Man. Oh, I like that actually. What was that? Wild painted pumblacia? Maybe? I don't know, but it looks nice. Moving on to doors. Oh, I really like that one. Oh, that's really cute. I can't help it. I have had fairies on the brain since they admitted that we were going to get fairies. And it's all very suitable. I love fantasy stuff. I don't think I went through all the swatches, but you get the idea. That's so nice. And now I must immediately build something. Oh, I can't wait for the ones I've been watching the most, Lil Simsy and Karen and Connie, to get a hold of this for building. I mean, I would assume that they got a creator one, but I haven't seen their content yet. Also, I wasn't looking that hard because I didn't want to be spoiled. But I want to know what they do with it. Oh, that's cute. I like that one. I must build a house. Absolutely. Not in this video, but I need to. Just anything. And now that I think I have it figured out for recording for OBS, I'll probably record it with this so it won't cut off the end of my videos. I don't know. I can't even say if that's an outplayed issue, because it seems to only happen to some game, not even all of them, but some games that aren't recognized by it yet, and The Sims 4. So, from my collection, that's mostly just Sims 4. All of these are very nice. Well, recording issues aside, let me get back to my gushing. That's really pretty. I'm glad we got 4 of them. I always need a new arch. We don't have enough. Window. I'm not going through all their swatches. If you're wondering, yes, there probably is more. I'm just flipping through because, we don't all want to be here forever. But I mean, they're so cute. Nope, stop it. Yes, when my inner red gives me trouble. Tisk tisk. Also, I was looking at computers when I first got here. I was just chilling out for a bit when I was sitting down, and I found one that I like, and the reviews look pretty stable. You gotta be careful nowadays. with AI, because you don't want you want to find something that has been bought, more than once, has been bought recently. You want to make sure that, even if it's clearly someone giving you a detailed review, that it's not all the same. They should be different names. They should be verified purchases. So before you just go buy stuff willy nilly, because sometimes you'll get stuff and the worst that you have is it's not as high quality as the seller said it would. And then other times, you might get some bad malware or other issues, and it may be hard to fix because you're just buying whatever. So make sure we look out for that. But the one I found, it looks pretty good, and I really want it. But I probably won't get it until the rest of the pay clears, because that's just how it is. They'll clear some of it immediately, the bank, but once it goes over the amount that they clear, then they're just going to verify it and make sure you're getting what you're supposed to be getting and everything. Just in case some young one is watching and you're like getting your first job or something, there are things to consider. I honestly don't use these that much. Those little door thingies. Oh, that's cute. I feel like I might overuse this. I like that. I don't use these very much either, but I have a reason to. What's this? Spandrel? Oh. Now, I like the other one more, but both of those are cute. Column. Honestly, I really don't use columns that much, but these are nicely detailed. Let me put down the stairs. Oh, I like that. It really fits in with everything. And we have this one. Ooh, or this one. I like that one. For no reason. That works for me. So what's new then? A lily leaf pond. Oh, cute. It looks like, something out of Ghibli. Or is it Ghibli? I don't know. I feel like I've heard that pronounced other many ways. Twice, but, still many. What? Bite me. Oh, that's my favorite. I love it. That's really pretty. And of course our fences. Nice and standard. Actually, I like it because it's so simple. But, gotta go all fairy. Okay, now objects by function, because I miss stuff. Actually, I do the same thing that I do in Create a Sim. I might click on something when I'm not paying attention, and then the next time I go building, where did this come from? I don't know. But I'm glad to have it. Oh, wow. Pretty. I'm probably going to say that a lot. I don't know what you want from me. You could just make a whole thing based off those swatches. House, room, park. I don't care, whatever. Oh, I like the little bassinet. That's okay. Alright, we're going to speed it up. Kind of. A little bit. You don't mind. I mean, that's why you clicked on the video, right? So it's the same one, but no, those are different chairs. Not just one has a pillow. This is a dining chair? Oh. And then the bar stool. Let's see. What is this? An ambiance chair? What does that mean? Oh, my new favorite couch. Look how cute it is. Okay, I think that time I did go through all the swatches. Stop it, Red. You're making things complicated. I can't help it, Inner Red. And yes, I will continue to talk to myself. What do you want from me? And then a nice simple bench. Actually, I feel like we needed some more of these ones. Just a basic bench. What is this? Oh, the counters. Oh, and the cabinet. What is this? I actually kind of like that. Oh. Can this go? Hey, that can clip too. Is it supposed to? That can't, which makes sense. Okay. Don't mind me. I think that's that's the dining table. But it looks so petite, like it's a side table. Shelf table? Can they shrink and use this? Okay, fine. I do want to see some of the other swatches for these. Hang on. I really like that. Ambiance decks, or maybe that's just what the series is called. And new shelves. Oh, I love these. Is this a shelf too? Yeah. So these are shelves. I love that. An unnatural amount, even. A what? So this is a dresser? Interesting. As if created by Mother Nature, this beautiful piece of furniture serves as the perfect frame for your fashion. Set your clothes among the foliage and enjoy the picturesque image it creates. Oh, nice. I get used to it. I think a bunch of this stuff is super pretty and cute. No, that's questionable toilet. Yes, it's a questionable. It's a lot, actually. But I kind of like it. Is this a shower? Oh, that's pretty. I like this an unnatural amount. I admit, I do. I should not as much as I do, but I does. God, the whole bathroom set's just really nice. And then the apothecary table, we'll drop a sim here to look at that. Storage cabinet, which I assume you need for the apothecary table. Nature press, what is this? Crafted from rustic wood and adorned for delicate carvings, the nature press is ideal for preserving natural ingredients. So, do they interact with it? I have no idea. Oh. Oh, that's a really nice bar. I need to make a bar, actually. Oh, and the backing for the bar. That is actually gorgeous. No. Stop, it's perfect. I will not be deterred. I love it, and there's nothing you can do about it. Wedding arch. I also probably like this one too much, but I also don't have that many weddings, so apothecary stall. That might work here. Market stall. Or not. Actually, we'll check those ones out. Those might be in town. Tabletop plant. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I also like that one. Oh, on the other side. A few different. What is this? The glasswood tree unlocked for completing the ear fable. Okay, so we probably won't mess with that since it's to be unlocked. We'll at least try to unlock the things. Okay, so these are what? Just your A playful live houseplant with trailing vines and a heart-shaped leaves. Oh, and heart-shaped leaves. Succulent live anthurium ficus. And then, oh, monstera. You know, the first time I ever heard about that was someone I met on Discord. And I didn't know what she was talking about. And of course the fairy home. There are different styles. Nope, just different colors. Oh, and then one that is disguised. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. It has overpowered my other favorite one. The what? Starseed teleporter. Now you have to unlock this, so I'm not going to mess with it, but we can look at it. What is this? Fern the fern? This bird nest fern has a charm unmatched among potted plants. Look into Fern's adorably googly eyes and you'll see a joy that will undoubtedly rub off on you. Where's the... I don't see googly eyes. Maybe you put them on there. I think that's just a decoration, but it is very cute. And more of that plant. Okay, so they give us both. The one for landscape and these, but I mean, you can use these for landscaping too. Luck in a pot. Is it actually? Blooming Vale. And you know, if you've had any luck looking at my creations, you know, I love to put this greenery on the houses. And this is good. This is all good. This all works for me. I don't even care. What's this? Mystic Moth Mosaic Backsplash. Oh, that is pretty. Wait, what's this? Oh, this is unlocked. Painting. Is this also unlocked? I don't know. Nope. Okay. Oh. A lovely mirror. And a wall mirror. Let's look over here then. Huh. Drapes. What is this? It's unlocked, but wood decor. A gnome dolph. I love that so unnaturally. You shall not pass unless you give me $250. Yeah. Life on a budget. That's very cute. Aww. Let's see. Gnome coach art frame. Oh, it's got different, well, a couple different ones. Nice. And then, of course, some clutter. You know, I like clutter, but I often forget to use it. Wait, what's this? Okay, I think that's just decorations. Oh, now for our rugs. Oh, this one's nice. It has different leaves. I actually really like this one. No, we have that one. Oh, just two. I think that's all of them. The different styles. I like that one. Oh, this one has different ones too. I think just two different ones. Yeah, but still, House of the Forest rug. Oh, Those are really nice. You know, I'm kind of glad that we waited for fairies. Oh, it can just clip up like that? Is it supposed to? You can just have a floating one as if it has a foundation to snap to? Interesting. I like these, but I don't normally use fireplaces because I have very bad luck with fireplaces. Some more decoration. Oof. Oh, and that one also has a mirror. Faye Finbill? What does that mean? Well, it's cute. Whatever it is. What is this? Canopy? Oh, that one thing that I can never remember how to pronounce. That's nice for a little outdoor space. Oh, it's a nightlight? That is so cute. And of course a new toy. We'll make it bigger so you can see. It looks like a little marshmallow. I approve of this. And another toy. Oops, wrong button. Those are so cute. Oh, it has a few different expressions. Does the nightlight also have different expressions? Let me look. It does! Oh, I need a kid's room. You know, some people still don't like these, but you know, since we got that update where you could shrink things and they still stay functional, it is for the best that they are larger. Because when you shrink them, then you still have nice detail. And yes, it does function at this size, and it does take up very little space. Not a big deal. What's this? A staircase light? So is it just because the mushrooms are staircase, or is it for a staircase? I mean, I guess technically with move objects you could put it up there. Are those supposed to snap there? No idea. Aw. Where were we? What's this? And a new lantern? Because obviously everything is so bright and colorful. Oh, this is a floor lamps. And the ceiling light. Wall light? Yeah. Longer wall light. These are all wall lights. And I love them in a natural amount. Yes. Oh. What's this? Oh, another chandelier. Also quite cute. Oh, and we got a new mailbox. That's perfect. A new bookend. What's this? Oh, the bookshelf. Of course. Oh, yay! One of these. These are also bookshelves. Let's see. Do these snap to that thing? Yes, they do. Okay, we'll see. Now that makes sense. Oh, those are cute. And it looks like, unlike the other ones, it looks like actual clothes that they gave us. Like this skirt. I appreciate that. And then, of course, a regular dresser. Which isn't so regular. Ah, go away. Stupid fly. What's this? Perennial perch? Oh, yeah, we looked at that. It still says I'm missing something. Did I not look at something? I looked at the plants. Oh, well, maybe not that one. You can't use them unless they're going in a plant anyways. Alright, well, that is everything, and I don't remember how long I've been recording. Just a second. Ugh. Okay. I thought he was telling me something about work. I have to stop for that one. I don't think I've been recording that long. But yeah, so there's that. Now, obviously, we have to do some gameplay too, but we're gonna put that in another video, which I will also put out today. So, like and subscribe if you feel so moved, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully sooner rather than later. Oh, the stars move a little bit, huh? Sparkly! Okay, bye.